Morning everyone, happy Wednesday. I just wanted to show you another video of what is expected of you this week because there's some questions out there. So all you're going to do is, if I pull up my internet, so you are going to go to Google Classroom for Accelerated 6. And then I do have a to-do list if you want to read it. If not, you can just watch this video. But what this week's assignment is this 15 pre-work, chapter 14 review, and then the trial run, which is all located in Big Ideas. So you can go in a new tab, Google Big Ideas Math, hit enter, and then it'll take you to the login screen, and then you're going to log in with Clever, this blue button. And then you're going to make sure you're Rochester Community School District. You're going to log in with your Google account. I'm going to log in here. And then it's going to be under Assignments, not the Resources tab. You're going to click the Assignments tab. And you're going to see they're all the ones in white. So 14.3 proportions trial run right here, chapter 14 review, and you're going to skip all of those, and you're going to go chapter 15 pre-work. Just the 3 assignments, chapter 15 pre-work, chapter 14 review, and the proportions trial run. All of that. Okay. Proportions trial run, chapter 14 review, and chapter 15 pre-work. That's it. And it's all in Big Ideas under assignments. Again, email me if you have any questions, but happy Wednesday.